This is a test of the emergency alert system.
There they go.
This is only a test.
There goes WPOZ. Oh, no voice. Okay.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency or severe weather affecting Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, or Volusia counties, Z88.3 will interrupt programming to bring you this important information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Inspiring songs and the...
Okay, well, WPOZ went off, but was that really the monthly or just their test? Huh. Interesting. They take a while to relay, but I guess that's the monthly? I could be wrong.